students, welcome to maths class. I hope everyone fine children. Everyone be ready for listening of maths class. It is very interesting topic and already we know topic also. Yes children, in 9th class we learned about polynomials. Now till the previous class what we learned? How to find out the zeros of the polynomial with using graph and without using graph. These two methods we learned. Yes children. Now everyone be ready with your textbook, notebook, pen, pencil, scale. Sit properly. Be attentive in math class. Listen properly. What I am explaining on the board, you have to listen carefully. And if you have any doubts, you can call to our school phone number. Definitely I will clarify your doubts. Okay children, now everyone be ready with your textbook. Open your textbook, there is page number 65. Open it. In that relationship between zeros and coefficients of the polynomial. Today's our topic is relationship between zeros and coefficients of the polynomial. So what is the relation between them? We need to find out. Okay. Today we are going to learn about the relationship between zeros and coefficient of the polynomial. Now open children everyone. In that you have to observe. Take any example and you have to observe. Okay children? Now I'm telling one example of. So everyone look at the board first of all. What is the topic? A relationship between zeros and coefficients. Zeros and coefficients. Coefficient of polynomial. Of the polynomial. So what is the relationship between zeros and coefficient of the polynomial of your polynomial? Okay. So how to find out? I am taking, for example, I am taking quadratic polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c. This is polynomial or not children? Yes. This is which type of polynomial? This is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means how many zeros it is having? We have idea. Quadratic polynomial means it represents the degrees 2. It represents the degrees 2. So that's the reason it is having 2 zeros. It is having how many zeros children? 2 zeros. Power 2 is there means 2 zeros it is having. That polynomial is called as quadratic polynomial. We know already these all things. Yes. Now, thus 2 zeros we represented as. It is having 2 zeros, yes or not? It is having 2 zeros. The 2 zeros we are represented as. First 0 as alpha and second 0 as beta. What is this alpha, beta? These are the Greek letters we used for finding out relation between zeros and coefficient. We are using these two letters. These two are the Greek letters. Okay children? We pronounced as these as alpha, these as beta. One more letter is there, we will use afterwards. Okay? Now, what is this? Alpha, this is beta. So, first 0 as alpha, second 0 as beta. So, first 0 as alpha and second 0 as beta. So, what is the relation between them? For example, sum of these two are the zeros of the given polynomial. These two are the zeros of the polynomial. Okay children? Zeros of the polynomial. What is the relation between them? Coefficients. This side zeros, relationship between zeros. These two are the zeros. Whatever value is given, what is the zeros? Alpha and beta are the zeros. Okay? Then coefficient of the polynomial. What are the coefficients here? X square coefficient is A and X coefficient is B. Constant term is C. These are the coefficients. Okay. What is the relation between them? We need to find out. What is the relation between them? Zeros and coefficients we need to find out. So I am taking sum of zeros. Sum of zeros. So what are the zeros here? Alpha and beta. Sum of zeros I said. Sum represents plus symbol or not? Plus symbol indicates sum. Sum of zeros. It should be is equal to. these are the zeros. We want to take coefficients. Okay. So how can we are taking minus of coefficient of x. Coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. This is the one type of formula. This is one type of formula. Okay, children? So sum of zeros is equal to minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. You have to observe. So what I said, sum of zeros means alpha plus beta. I said alpha plus beta. Clear, children? Minus, keep like that only, coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x here? B. Yes or not? Coefficient of x. Coefficient means multiple. Which number is multiplied with that number? So coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square? A is the coefficient of x square. This is the relation between zeros and coefficient of a given polynomial. Zeros and coefficient of a zeros given polynomial. Clear, children? So sum of zeros is equal to, you have to remember formula. Sum of zeros is equal to minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. And sum of zeros is nothing but alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. You have to remember this one or this one, whatever you have to, you are comfortable, you can follow that one. Okay? So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Or else sum of zeros is equal to minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Next, coming to product of zeros. Next one, product of zeros. Product of zeros. So is equal to here coefficient constant term by constant term by coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. So constant are product of zeros. That means it represents alpha into beta. Yes or not? Here into represents product. Here into symbol represents product. Alpha into beta is equal to constant term. What is the constant term? Here C is the constant. By coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square? A. C by A. The formula is product of zeros is equal to constant term by coefficient of x square. Okay? You have to remember these two formulas. Okay, children? Sum of zeros is equal to minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Product of zeros is equal to constant term by coefficient of x square. Clear, children, everyone? I hope everyone understood. Now, this is the relation between zeros and coefficient of a given polynomial. Clear, everyone? This is most important for 2 marks, 4 marks and objective also, children. You have to practice these formulas. Definitely you will get idea about problems also. Now, coming to problems, I will take some examples. Just now I said, what is the relation between zeros and coefficient I said. So I am taking, for example, here I am taking one example, any example you can take, children. Okay, so I am taking 3x square plus 5x minus 2. This is one example. So here we need to find out what is the relation between zeros and coefficient of a polynomial. So how can we are going to find out here? First do the factorization method. What is the factorization method? 3x square plus 5x minus 2 can be written as, it is in the formation of ax square plus bx plus c. Yes, children? Do it in rough space. You have to maintain rough space also in your class notes. This is rough. So ax square plus bx plus c. What is the first? You have to choose a into c value. What is the a into c value? A is 3. What is the c value? Minus 2. So 3 to the minus 6 we got. So this can be in the form of kite method. What we want, B we want. So what are the factors of minus 6, children? Minus 6 can be written as 6 1 is 6. Yes, 6 into minus 1. 6 into minus 1 or else. And next, minus 6 into 1. 3 2 is 6. Minus 3 2 is 6. Minus 2 3 is 6. These are the factors. Okay, what we want? 5 we want. Okay, so 6 is subtracted with 1, you will get 5 or not. 6 is subtracted with 1, you will get 5. That's the reason here 6x, here 1x. Which one x? Minus 1x. Okay, minus 1x. So again this can be written as 3x square, 3x square plus 6x minus 1x minus 2. Okay children. Now I am going to taking common as here 3x, here also 3x. 3x as a common, x, here what is left? 2. 3 2 is 6x. Here minus 1 as a common, here minus is there, here minus is there. So x plus 2. So x plus 2 as a common. Here what is there? 3x minus 1 is there. So x plus 2 it should be is equal to 0 and 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to plus 1 by 3. This 1 will go to this side and this 3 will comes to divider place. Okay. So what are the zeros of the polynomial? Alpha is equal to minus 2, beta is equal to 1 by 3. Now we are going to find out the relationship between coefficient and zeros. Okay. So sum of zeros is equal to, what is the formula children? Sum of zeros is equal to minus of coefficient of x. I am using shortcut. Coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Sum of zeros. Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus of coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is nothing but what children? Coefficient of x is b by coefficient of x square a. So alpha is what children? Minus 2. Beta is what? Plus 1 by 3 is equal to minus b by a. Minus b from the equation minus, what is the b value? 5. What is the e value? 3. So here observe what we will get also. Take the LCM of these two values. 3 as a LCM. 3 2s are 6, do the cross multiplication. 3 2s are minus 6 plus 1 is equal to minus 5 by 3. Then minus 5 by 3 is equal to minus 5 by 3. We got same answer or not? Yes, they both are equal. They both are equal. Next, coming to product of zeros. Product of zeros. So product of zeros, how can you find out product of zeros? What is the formula? Constant term by coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. Product of zeros is nothing but alpha into beta. Constant of c. Coefficient of x square a. So alpha into beta minus 2 into 1 by 3 is equal to c by a. What is the c value from the equation? From the equation c value is 2. Yes or not? So minus 2 by, what is the a value from the equation? A value is 3. Okay children? So here we have to observe. So here minus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 2 by 3. We got same answers or not? Yes. Absolutely our answer is correct. So like that you have to find out. Now coming to exercise problem, children. Look at your textbook, everyone. So many examples are there, children. Note down in your textbook. Observe page number 66 and 67. So many examples are there. You have to practice it, children. Okay, children. Now coming to exercise problems. 3.3 exercise. Look at your textbook. 3.3 exercise. First read the question, everyone. Don't waste your time. You have to practice at home. If any free time is there, you have to practice more and more times. So which problems I'm explaining? Which problems I'm explaining on the board, you have to practice that problems only. 2-3 times you have to practice it. Definitely it is easy for you. Okay, children. Now coming to exercise 3.3. First problem. Find zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify relationship between zeros and coefficient. Here polynomial equation is given, children. So exercise 3.3. First bit, first one. X square minus 2x minus 8 is given. X square minus 2x minus 8 is given. So in this we need to find out zeros. We need to find out zeros and what is the relation between them also. What is the relation between them also we need to find out. So you have to observe. How to find out zeros of the polynomial? I will tell you in shortcut method, children. Already I said so many times. Yes. So this equation, given equation is compared with ax square plus bx plus, yes children, next do it in block space or else here only we can do it. Okay. So a into c. What is the a into c here? A value is 1, a value is 1, c value is minus 8. So what we got? Minus 8 we got. So what are the factors of minus 8, children? You have to write down. What are the factors of minus 8? So minus 4 into 2. 2 4 is 8. Yes. 4 2 is 8. 1 8 is 8. But what we want? Minus 2 we want. Minus 2 we want. Here b value as minus 2. Okay. So plus 4 into minus 4 into plus 2. You will get minus 8. Minus 4 2 is 8. Yes. Minus 4 is subtract plus minus 4 plus 2. You will get minus 2. Yes or not, children? Yes. So here we can write 4x, 2x. Okay. So x square minus 4x minus 2x, sorry, plus 2x minus 8. So in this x has a common x minus 4. In this 2 has a common x minus 4. 2 into x, 2x, 2 4 is 8. Okay, children? So keep the zeros. Next, x minus 4 is a common. Here x is left, here what is left? Plus 2 is left. So x minus 4 is equal to 0. Then x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, x is equal to 4, x is equal to minus 2. So these two are the zeros of the polynomial. These two are the zeros of the polynomial. We need to find out alpha is equal to 4 and beta is equal to represented as alpha and beta. These two are the zeros of the given polynomial. These two are the zeros of the given polynomial. Clear, children? Now I am going to find out a relation. So what is the relationship between coefficient and zeros? Coefficient and zeros. Okay, children? So alpha, I am taking directly sum of zeros. Sum of zeros. You know formula. What is the sum of zeros, children? Sum of zeros is nothing but minus b by a. Minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So alpha is nothing but 4, beta is nothing but minus 2. and minus of, what is the b value here from the equation? Minus 2. What is the a value? 1. So 4 is subtracted with 4 here minus 2 children. 4 is subtracted with 2, you will get 2 only. Minus of minus plus 2 by 1, 2 only. We got same answer, yes or not? Yes, we got same answer. Next, product of zeros. Product of zeros. Alpha into beta is equal to, what is the formula? C by A, constant term by coefficient of x square. Constant term by coefficient of x square. Alpha is what? 4. And beta is what? Minus 2. Is equal to, constant is minus 8. And coefficient of x square is 1. From the given equation, minus 8 is equal to minus 8. So we got same answer. So this is the relation between coefficients and zeros of the given polynomial. Clear children? Everyone understood? I hope everyone understood children. Note down your homework is exercise 3.3, first bit full. First bit full. You have to complete it. Okay children? First bit full you have to complete it. Thank you. We will meet in next class.